Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into your DG shipping account. Make sure two-factor authentication is ready, because security checkpoints can block edits. Once logged in, go straight to Profile or Account Settings. This is where Profile Images live. Prepare the new photo now, convert to JPG or PNG, resize to roughly 400 x 400, and keep it under 2 MB. You should also keep the existing photo backed up or note any identifying details, because reverting is much easier when you have the original. You click Change Photo or the Upload button. Select the prepared image from your device. Once uploaded, use the built-in crop and rotate tools to center your face or the document area. This ensures compliance and legibility. Make sure contrast and brightness reveal necessary details, because DG shipping may reject blurry or low-quality images. Preview the final result. Confirm format and resolution match the site's requirements, and only then hit Save or Apply so the system stores the new avatar correctly. You finish by saving changes and immediately verifying your profile shows the new image. If the old photo persists, clear your browser cache or force refresh the page, since cached images often mask updates. If the upload fails or the platform rejects the file, check file type, size, and dimensions, and confirm DG shipping server status. Intermittent outages cause failures. If needed, reduce file size, rename the file, and try again, then contact support with error text and a timestamp if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.